Calling State of Wisconsin versus Maxwell Anderson, case 24, CF1692, appearances.
Ian Vance Curzan and Megan Newport appear for the state along with Detective Joanne Donner.
Good morning, Anthony Cotton and Jason Finley with Max Anderson. Good morning again.
And good morning to all of you. At this point, I have received verdicts. They are in a proper legal fashion. Who is my foreperson? May I have your name and number for the record?
Juror number 1, Marilyn.
Sign these 4 verdicts and date them today?
I did.
Thank you. I will now read them into the record. As to count 1, the verdict reads, we, the jury, find the defendant, Maxwell Anderson, guilty of first-degree intentional homicide as charged in count 1 of the information. As to count 2, we, the jury, find the defendant, Maxwell Anderson, guilty of mutilating a corpse as charged in count 2 of the information. As to count 3, we, the jury, find the defendant, Maxwell Anderson, guilty of arson of property other than a building as charged in count 3 of the information. As to count 4, we, the jury, find the defendant, Maxwell Anderson, guilty of hiding a corpse as charged in count 4 of the information. At this point, I will poll the jury. What that means is as follows. I'm going to have the first juror stand in the back row on the far right. I'm going to ask you your juror number, and I'm going to ask you, well, stand, and your juror number?
45.
Juror 45, were these and are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you. Next juror.
Juror 23.
Juror 23, were these and are these your verdicts? Thank you.
Juror 29.
Juror 29, were these and are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you. Juror 47, were these and are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you. Juror 3, were these and are these your verdicts? Thank you. Juror 42, were these and are these your verdicts? Thank you. Front row.
Number 5.
Juror 5, were these and are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you.
Number 1.
Juror 1, were these and are these your verdicts? Thank you.
Number 52.
Juror 52, were these and are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you.
Juror 40.
Juror 40, were these and are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you.
Juror number 21.
Juror 21, were these and are these your verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you.
Juror 36.
Juror 36, were these and are these your verdicts? Thank you. State, are you satisfied with the polling?
Yes.
Defense, are you satisfied with the polling?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then at this point in time, your service is complete. You are done for 4 years. At this point, you are free to talk to anyone you choose or speak to no one. It is completely in your discretion at this point in time. I will come back to the jury room and speak with you in about 2 minutes, okay? Thank you for your time and attention, and I'll be right back. Thank you.
Oh my word, like what was he expecting? He looks surprised though, right? I'm not shocked. Based on the state's case was really excellent. Wow, guilty on all 4 charges. No lesser charges either. Just guilty, first degree murder, mutilating a corpse, hiding a corpse, and arson.
Motions.
State moves for judgments of conviction on counts 1 through 4, and I move the court to remand the defendant.
Move for judgment of acquittal on all 4 counts and no position on remand.
At this point in time, I will put in place a remand order. Relative to the motions, I am going to order judgment of conviction to be entered onto the record at this point in time. This jury acted reasonably. They applied facts to law as was required. And at this point in time, I am going to order a pre-sentence investigation. Is either side requesting a recommendation with that pre-sentence?
No.
No.
I'll order a pre-sentence without recommendation. At this point, we will select a sentencing date.
Due to the PSI, we are looking 60 days out. How about the week of August 11th or the week of the 18th?
I'll let the state chime in first. I'm pretty flexible.
I think they're checking with the victims too. Does that work?
The state is good with the week of August 11th would be the preference.
Can
I
we
would
do
just
the
ask for a morning slot if we could.
15th at 10 o'clock?
Sure. Jay?
Yes.
The next court date will be calendared for August 15th at 10 o'clock for the sentencing.
We'll see you back then. Thank you.
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you.
Okay, get the handcuffs out. Here we go,
I
everyone.
have to let it.
Justice for Sade Robinson. He really looked shocked. I know he's probably gonna face a sentence of life without parole. Listen here, why'd they have to cut the cameras right there? Come on, man, we want to see that part. Let me quickly see if I could find another feed just to see if we could see. Yeah, no, when they put the handcuffs on. Hold on 1 second. Wow, I'm just surprised at how he's. Oh, they really just cut all the cameras everywhere. Wait. Really? Why would you do such things? Okay, so August 15th at 10 o'clock. Now, I did not write that in pencil. I wrote it in red pen. We'll be ready, right? Thank you, everyone, for the stickers. I've been putting them on the screen as well. So there were some motions argued there, of course, a judgment of acquittal. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to move myself. Hold on 1 second. And all of that. But a pre-sentencing investigation will be happening, which usually would happen as well. Calm Sunshine says, thank you for the great coverage. Thank you all for watching the trial with me. And so I'll keep you posted if anything changes. Sometimes the sentencing date could change. I mean, do you remember Jesse Kershevsky's case? Wow. That sentencing got majorly delayed because of letters that she wrote. So let's hope nothing like that happens. Pamela says, thank you, G, for everything. Sure, I'm so relieved for Sade's family. I mean, this trial was actually pretty quick because, you know, the crime happened on April 1st of 2024, April 2nd, 2024, around there. And here we are on June 6th of 2025 with a verdict. So that was really, really great. And I think the state was so prepared. The witnesses were brilliant. All the footage they got, just everything and the way they put it together. Now, if you missed day 7 yesterday, please go check it out because those closing arguments, you don't want to miss it. It was so powerful, so intense. I would say it's in the top, I was saying top 5, but it's probably in the top 3 of ones that we've ever watched together. It was really good. So go and check that out as well. And I was saying earlier that I was rewatching some of the testimony, and it's interesting to just listen to that timeline again of how Maxwell Anderson was deleting photos and taking photos. I mean, it was really creepy. So everyone, thank you so much for watching this trial with me and following this case with me from the beginning. I send Sade's family and friends so much love, and this was such a great loss. I mean, Sade was 19 years old, 19 when she was murdered, with her entire life ahead of her, so much hope and promise. She was working 2 jobs. She was about to graduate with an associate's degree in criminal justice, and she wanted to work for the Air Force as well. So what a sad case. So everyone, I will see you again very soon. If there's a press conference or something, I would put it in the pinned comments in case you want to check it out. Also check out my community post because I never know we don't know if it's going to happen or not going to happen, but I certainly will be watching it if it is happening, and then I'll maybe see you there in the chat. Sometimes it takes time. So I'll put the links and everything in the description box, and then I'll see you again very soon. All right, everyone, stay safe.